Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to sign out of Cash App. So this is going to become particularly useful, let's say if you're only logging on to Cash App from a different device that's not yours, and then you want to go ahead and sign out of Cash App. So make sure to follow this video step by step in order to learn how to sign out of Cash App. So once you're actually logged into your Cash App account, this is what it's going to look like. This is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. On the upper right hand corner, you want to click on your profile image and then scroll down until you see this sign out button. So you just want to click on that sign out button, and then it's going to actually sign you out of your Cash App account on that device. So do keep in mind though that for security and privacy purposes, just make sure that you only sign on to Cash App on devices that you actually own. You don't want to be actually signing on to Cash App on public devices or devices that aren't yours. Even family or friends members devices, you don't want to be actually signing on to Cash App from their device. So once you click on this sign out button, you're actually going to get signed out of Cash App, and then you're just going to follow like 1 or 2 prompts to confirm that you want to sign out. So that is the easiest way that I've seen to actually sign out on Cash App. If you know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.